This DEWALT FLEXVOLT is maximized for runtime and durability. It delivers the power of a corded reciprocating saw with the portability and convenience of a cordless saw through revolutionary DEWALT FLEXVOLT technology. This DEWALT FLEXVOLT Dewalt Reciprocating Saw comes with two FLEXVOLT 20 volts, 60 volts max lithium-ion batteries, and a charger. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Introducing FLEXVOLT, the world's first battery that automatically changes voltage when you change tools. Number 2. This is next-level power. The FLEXVOLT system brings you the future of power with cordless tools, unlike anything you've ever experienced, with a highly innovative voltage-changing battery and a lineup of groundbreaking 60 volts max and 120 volts max tools to match. FLEXVOLT tools have the power that will change the way work gets done. Number 3. The technology that gets it done. The FLEXVOLT battery's ability to automatically change between two voltages gives users a serious advantage when it comes to efficiency. It's the battery that not only powers but improves the runtime of our Dewalt 20 volts max tools, so you don't have to invest in a whole new system. It's the battery that brings the power of the cord to a new lineup of 60 volts max and 120 volts max Dewalt tools so you can finally work on a fully cordless job site. This revolutionary battery will change the way things get done. Number 4. One battery, two voltages. The FLEXVOLT battery is backward compatible with our 20 volts max tools so you get up to 4x the runtime. And because the FLEXVOLT battery is the only battery that automatically changes voltages when you change tools, you can slide the battery into a whole new lineup of 60 volts max and 120 volts max tools from Dewalt. Number 5. The Cordless Reciprocating Saw has the power of corded with the freedom of cordless. Number 6. Keyless lever action blade clamp for quick and easy blade changes. Number 7. 0 to 3000 SPM in a 1 1/8 inches stroke length for fast and efficient cutting. Number 8. Variable speed trigger allows users to instantly control speed. Number 9. LED light helps to illuminate dark job site work areas. Number 10. Pivoting shoes provides leverage for different applications. Number 11. Rubber over mold grip for comfort. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can the blade be installed or the tool adjusted in a way to cut flush? Answer. The position of the blade cannot be adjusted. Question number 2. Does the fan for the battery charger go on sometimes, or supposed to always be on? Answer. The fan does not run continuously. Question number 3. Can I use an adapter to power up my 18-volt Dewalt tools? Answer. No, the FLEXVOLT is not compatible with the DCA388T2 adapter for 18 volts tools. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.